Hello, welcome. I'm back. Okay, I have a lot of amazing things to share with you. So let's jump right in. Are you a magician, viewer? Some here are. Bravo. So I say the next question for all. Can you, like a magician, turn negative energy into positive energy? Negative into positive? Of course it is my response. Let's give an example. She is mad at my poor ability to recall things. How can we turn this negative energy into positive energy? Positive corrections could be, no one has a right to try to lower me in any way. She was having a bad day is another option due to self-created reasons, problems. Next is, my needs are met by being brave to ask for help, and so on. Can you think of an example? If yes, then please post it in the comments, and I appreciate that enormously. Next topic. My past human life had different errors. They are all forgiven. The fact that you are seeing this video confirms it. I share félicitations, that's congratulations in French. Your past errors have been forgiven. How have you ever had, next topic, have you ever had difficulties in the middle of a blessing? As Oprah Winfrey would say, this storm too shall pass. Is she right? Is she right? I think so. I would say yes. She has on the dot. Our Lord gives us tests to pass, and often that means more tests are underway. Our higher self wants to make us stronger, and without any rivalry, how can we climb the mountain to success without rivalry? Without negative, there cannot be positive. Am I right? Next topic. Holy ears are careful of not giving attention to gossip without ego. I'm better than them status. No. Am I right? Because Buddha expresses hearing evil is not amongst his morals. Distancing yourself from gossip-filled ladies or men is never unjustifiable. When you have the ability to meditate for a long duration, it is easier to not allow evil words to get to you. Next topic. A fruit, which fruit? Any fruit, ladies and gentlemen, can last for a year with no signs of being rotten. What? How is this possible? What is possible and not possible is not your concern, not one's concern, meaning if you see aging and death as inevitable, then that is what you will get as an awakened soul. Humans, many are not awakened. They rely on their subconscious and conscious thoughts to guide them, and then have a death sentence as they are aging. When you gain access to your divine's presence, your divine's higher self is presence, and you awaken, then nothing can touch you. Since your divine can cure you, he can heal you, and thus save you from death. Am I right? Some will say, sure, others, of course. And then there are those who will brush aside my words as unrealistic mumbo jumbo. My allies, the choice is yours. Thank you, and bye bye.